Countries that changed their capital city: Indonesia, Burundi, Myanmar, Palau, Kazakhstan, Tanzania, Nigeria, Germany, Ivory Coast, Sri Lanka, Belize, Pakistan, Malawi, Botswana, Brazil, Mauritania, Turkey, Russia, Australia, India, Honduras, Japan, New Zealand, Canada, United States, Greece, Finland, Morocco, Poland, Malta. And that's how some nations packed up their governments and started fresh in entirely new capitals. Which capital city move surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating videos.